What's going on, guys? Today we have the Google Home Mini to unbox and set up, and I'm going to give you some first impressions of it. So I actually got this thing on Black Friday, but I have been way too busy to actually open the thing up. But now I'm finally going to open this thing up. So let's go ahead and crack it open. It is covered in plastic, of course. So here's the box. This is the charcoal model, of course. So to open it, there's a little pull tab here. Sitting right on top here, we have the Google Home Mini itself. Go ahead and take that out. Below the Mini, you will find a little Let's Get Started guide, and of course your power cable and your wall plug. And I believe that is it in the box. We take a look at this Get Started guide. This is basically how to set up the device. You simply plug it in, download the app. This is getting to know your Google Home Mini, just some support info and some safety and warranty information. Of course, we need no instructions. So before we plug it in, let's take a look at this thing. So it literally looks like a rock. It's nothing too crazy. It has a nice material on it, kind of similar to the HomePod. This is the charcoal one, like I said, so if you got the chalk version, it would be white, and then there's also like a pinkish color you can get, and I think a new aqua color that just came out not too long ago. Now, if you look around the device, we have our mute switch right here, and our cable input right here. The bottom is orange. That's because it will not move around on the table, so that's to prevent that from happening. And I mean, this is a really lightweight device, really nice, clean, simple design. It's going to look good wherever you put it in your home. And this plug has a rather large wall plug on it here. So if you have a tight power strip or anything like that, you might have some issues plugging in. And also we have a micro USB port instead of a USB-C port, but that's really not a big deal because this cord's only be plugging in the Google Home Mini anyway. But anyway, let's get this thing plugged in, powered on, and I'll show you how to set it up.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So this works with iPhone or Android. This is the app you need right here, the Google Home app. It's going to take you through a little walkthrough. I'm choosing my account right now. Now it's looking for the device. So once it gets done looking for the device, it says this Google Home has been found. Would you like to set it up? So you hit next. Now it says connecting to the Mini. The reason why I'm not showing you my screen is because it's showing some of my account information every once in a while, and I don't want you guys seeing that. So now it's asking if we heard a sound. It says, did you hear this sound? You hit yes. It's asking to send data to Google. We might as well hit yes. Asking you where the device is located. This is going to be in a bedroom. And now you can add a custom room name. It wants you to choose the Wi-Fi to use. And now we're setting up the Google Assistant. And now we're going to teach it to recognize my voice. Now it's setting up the voice match. This device can actually recognize multiple voices. Now it's asking us to choose our assistant voice. Turn on my phone.
To help you throughout your day.
So you can choose between the female voice.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Or the male voice.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
We're going to choose the first voice. it should be all set up now. It's asking, do you want to allow it to use your location? Might as well. They already know everything about me anyway. Now we can choose to add different media services to the Google Home, so this can play all sorts of different music streaming services. I'm actually gonna do a couple of these real quick, so just hold on. And finally, you can add payment methods if you want, and you can also call from this. But it's basically we're just finalizing stuff. And now it says the device is ready.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
And the device should be ready now, so tell me a joke.
Never date a baker. They're too needy.
Oh my gosh, that's... So, as you can see, it does work. Now, you can see I'm tapping on the sides of this thing, and that's to turn up and down the volume. And besides doing that and the mute switch, those are the only controls you can do on this device. You could, when this thing first came out, you could tap on it and it would bring up the Google Assistant, but they disabled that feature for some reason. So I guess let's just play with this thing just for a quick minute here. It's the weather in New York.
Currently in New York City, it's 41 with showers. Today, there'll be showers with a forecasted high of 43 and a low of 35.
Well, tell me a joke.
I like to think I'm pretty down to earth because, well, gravity.
How many episodes does Breaking Bad have?
There are 62 episodes of Breaking Bad.
What is 7,342 times 2,749?
The answer is 20,183,158.
I'm gonna assume that's right. What is the tallest building?
Tallest buildings in world include Burj Khalifa at 2,717 feet, Wuhan Greenland Center at 2,087 feet, and Shanghai Tower at 2,073 feet.
How do I say hello, how are you today in German?
Hallo, wie geht es dir heute?
How do I say hello, how are you today in Spanish?
Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy?
How do I connect to Wi-Fi?
To turn mobile data sharing on or off, open your settings app. Tap network and internet, then hotspot and tethering.
What fruit am I? That's loud.
This is What Fruit Are You? A nutritious personality quiz, no matter how you slice it. Should we get started?
Sure.
Great. I'll ask you a few questions and tell you which fruit fits your personality. Here's the first question. Which kind of bubble do you like more? Bubble gum or bubble baths?
Bubble gum.
Okay, try this one. Which superpower would you rather have? Superhuman strength or X-ray vision?
X-ray vision.
Got it. Next question. Which tree do you like more? Palm trees or pine trees?
Palm trees.
Got it. Next question. Do you like to finger paint?
No.
Okay, here's the final question. Time for a field trip. Where would you rather go? The pool or the zoo?
The pool.
Okay, that's it. Let's find out what you got.
So loud.
You're a cherry. You're a favorite among many. This explains why 2 million tons of you are grown each year. You're sweet and zippy, and you have bunches of friends. You also bring
Okay.
life to every activity, from pit stops to jam sessions. Do you want to play again?
No. So that's pretty cool that you can like play games and do personality quizzes and stuff. One last thing I want to try. Play Christmas radio on Pandora.
Radio stations aren't available on Pandora.
What do you mean? Play some Christmas songs on Pandora.
Okay, here's a Pandora station called Christmas.
Stop. So that's just some of the tests of this thing. We're going to go more in depth on the review. I just want to show you a few things we can do. But yeah, so far I think I'm really going to like this thing. I'm obviously going to mess around with it and learn more about it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to drop a like below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you want to see on the Google Home. So, like I said, thanks for watching. Let's say bye.
I'll be here.